Gang, and welcome back to my channel. Now before you do anything else, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you get notified each and every time I post more videos on the way. So I found this cute little top at Forever 21. It was like $15 plus tax, about even $16. I don't know, I feel like it's so cute. It's so in right now. It's like the little triangle bandana front, and then in the back you kind of just tie it to your liking, and it fits perfectly. And I wanted to go grab some more, but I'm like, for $15 I can honestly probably make this myself. Even though I don't know how to sew, I feel like I can do it. Like, I don't know. So I went to Walmart. I got some fabric, and they were only 99 cents each. I got a yard each. This blue is really pretty, but I feel like brown is in right now, and I do love this color brown, so I got this as well. And then I got this little cutter thing. I forget what it's called. I knew I already had one at home, but I had no idea where it was at. And of course, as soon as I got home to make this video, I found it. And then I got this adhesive tape, so when you're hemming, you could just use this instead of sewing. I don't know, I've never really sewed before, so I feel like this is basically what I probably would need to make it look perfect. And then I did look up a YouTube video of somebody already making this, and they used, well, they recommended using ribbon instead of trying to making your own like strings or whatever. So I got some ribbon to kind of match. It doesn't match perfectly, but I feel like it'll do. And they didn't have any brown ribbon, so I don't know what I'm gonna do for this one, but yeah, let's jump right into this video. And then I think I just need like 3 basic pieces, right? I need this piece and then 2 of these. This should be really simple, hopefully. Okay, so obviously the next step will be to add like the arms, the string, whatever you want to call this little back piece. And I'm gonna hem, I don't know, maybe I can just cut it and make it look straighter, or maybe I should hem it. I really don't know, but I'm gonna do that off camera because this video is already too long, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished look. But basically what you just did here, do it here if you want like a neater look. And then I'm gonna show y'all how to attach it. I decided to only hem like this part of it. I don't know, I feel like it's kind of pointless to hem the entire thing because it's going to be tied up anyway. But if you want to get that cleaner look, go ahead. And then I'm just going to sew like the ends together. Basically, I couldn't think of a way to do it without sewing. I'm not going to be using a sewing machine. I'm going to try to hand sew it. So yeah, I'll be back once I'm finished. Okay, so here is the Forever 21 top. Obviously wear the right bra like when you wear it out. And here's mine. I forgot to add the strap, so I think I'm gonna go back and add that. And I don't know, it's like a little lopsided, but I feel like, I don't know, it'll still do, especially for only $3. It's doable. And then here's the back of mine. So next time I do this, I will definitely make these little straps or whatever bigger, because I have bigger boobs, and yeah, these little small straps just ain't cutting it. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.